Nyamiadum, baby, I fine.
It is Nyamia say. Means you were transfer.
Metusena one Gabi can transfers any players ball. Na will make you reference to Wenger. Na meti office or na ya mesre. Na mesre because unim there me give you up say I was say me shall see give the reality say football transfer no a change forever and that a boy ankasa edito player no o de be compared Caneno now we deep analysis whether player need deserve it undeserve it undrew her those arguments ebeye broni beka say ebeye belated emame da I think it was in 2017 that's sorry all the international sports tabloids from Sky, L'Equipe, TNT, almost all of them BBC. Munina reported say in 2017, Arsenal under Arsene Wenger prepare a bid of £125 million. And the cover player by Kylian Mbappe from AS Monaco. Monsieur Rapa mi usa mi say Wenger. Wenger na ankasa mu
300.
And I say wow. That is the day. In all reality me who said no. Yinjai player be boy din, player be and on deserve no. Because even the pioneer of that discussion, Obiana on record, are you worried about a boy and 2 players? No. And I'm talking about 2017. Oh, Wenger bid more than 100 million for Kylian Mbappe at Monaco. No, Mbappe Paris Saint-Germain at Monaco. I want to give you up. Then fast forward, Obi say club mo. Look at Sika club de Koto, Alisson Becker mo. And my mom say no, Yenya is an community. Then Pep came in with a perfect analysis on players no more price. Tamano Otto John Stones money adi anko for say omo boy din. Pep say wonim. Ebebo will be say we will forget about player bebo. Na yenim komo about price no on the ends justifying the means. Enti se me koto player A eba me club mo. No matter ebo me di beto player no, hold on to your analysis of whether o deserve it or undeserve no, hold on. Ebra player ni ba be ma me no. Now we determine whether we did a good business or not. And since a Pep can say something, because Rich, there are some players here. Omobano, ubeye be about omo price. Omo timbo one game, we say game we are brand tiabo and neck and wateneka. Yanti da. Yati bebre. Players beat me but one Obiasio player the boy I want with the Atenica. That is output to the price. And you play baby, you may disagree with a boy the Kotomo. But Rich be what you say after years our club hono. Any bar ball club hono. Ubet make say on Tenica. Look at the price team meet is Man City and the Koto Ellen Haaland. What Tenica na so on te. But only boy ding. Any boy ding bang. Man City etiska abodi na Koto Bernardo Silva. And no bagas what Tenica na so on. What Tenica? For me, my changing my stance based on these stories here, my way to now the stance of Yekoto player be rich. I don't look at the price anymore.
But about you bet me
because the price is determined by the demand and supply. And Kofo be pen player no or a young potential obet me a lot of years or resale value. Yeah, packaging ye ni agency a wire. A club bear crown a tunnel. All those things come into bear. Now, the also go for some kumoya by yaga say with your trouble there, who do doma, who fetch no have drive course. On question is how no Abidjan. Abranti afani Yan Diomande. Na maminka story bin show. Uko Red Bull for more franchise now. Omo share RB Leipzig so. Omo sporting director no. Your friend Michelle Schaifer. Last year ya rich. Summer transfer be say and a year interview, and the interview was published by the Build. And Omo said say, Leipzig. You see player B was Spanish La Liga nim Leganis. Your friend Yan Diomande. Muba to anasa monto because ya tisa mo call mo bom wa jira mabo it oti asoma me share kan or say for some few months ana abrantie no ne ho asem abeto Red Bull franchise no almost scouting data nim na abrantie ne scouting data ne beto mu no obi a o scout ma Red Bull fo ni bia no adansi a old ni say wakare ye good na omukọ Leganes for no hono enye a matter of negotiation o the Leganes for na mo matia say ne say ni enyina ye nim in the Spanish La Liga no ne buy out clause I want the contract him 20 million and they don't need to go and negotiate with Leganes. It is either you go and buy him out of the release clause and I say class of from almost one line or more per brand and atono. And to them, they have to pay. There is no room for negotiation. The release clause in here, come and trigger and take the guy. Say opener. Say umpa, there are other class of mupe. Musubet, I already saw better. Jano mumunto. And Michelle Schaifer on that day in an interview, I say, I'll be Leipzig for any day. The woman who about a branch any the almost scouting team ne can ever branch no no omko hakoto nti rich me hu ya nam say for Red Bull for the room see nimbo no and the way they are running or football operations no for Michelle to say that about a player yeah African 18-year-old them no then the guy must be special and I'm gaining interest in him. Enti many nama trying to find out who he is. And I realize he say say wafu zombie ya ene maso kredu kra any Nigeria wo machi abrante na ba bebo wafu zombie na 17 ni bi ama Ivory Coast enche bia I'm say okay. So I saw his videos be
Sawa Fuzumbi, you're born on Cape Coast, right?
Yes.
Yeah, Cape Coast.
He played very, very well. Ni nine I said Usman Dembele the any bankumuni here Juma, ni funny here Juma. Or your trick you bit much to tune. Or shot, or placement, or football intelligence, or presence, or attitude there the ball. Bibi chance I call with my best star. And see, me krana kakana me share videos no na say this guy I now understand why this Red Bull for the say obetimi aye adwuma no so rich omukutua 20 million no and omo fan then I realize say Diomande 15 years pe and odi wa Abidjan and a boom or call Direct Mail Express or Florida there's a academy be into for the Florida Football Academy 15 years old and almost ebe fan koi. Na uko academy wa omo another affiliated club omo friend Frenzy semi-pro omo bo America omo semi-pro league nim. Enti okobo academy ni kakana no mo de omo ma sa club no and okobo J championship bo ba enye pro league na obo e semi-pro okobo sa semi-pro ni bi eni namu a. Now Rich, according to Abrantia no omo kutaro no omo say tamo no obo semi-pro ni no omo jiri sa Abrantia ni mbo but MLS club bi amba obi ampo so ye hu ni mpo. He's not answer on certain chile say with the potential to be huge, sir. It will be a banning chain. Rich and a Leganese for the buyer through one of our scouts. Say Charlie, me who I vote be or boss semi-pro America. He is very, very good young cotonumbra. And Omokofan in 2024. Omadene buyer. He was not even good enough for Leganese senior team no and we then call reserve team. And the reserve team no ebo secunda 2. And a main team no satam no na Leganese ewo La Liga ni. Rich but a branch no call reserve team no. They now oye oho no say cry. You man opportunity no mebo. And to Ukaya Saturday there was one guy on our show who was referring to match be boy against Real Madrid. Yan Diomande jiri say yesisi Leganese form or koye post match interview bi ko can say meet Real Madrid. That was those moments, you know. Akwaketwa ya promoting from Leganese reserve team to the first team. Rich now ko Real Madrid. Now onya kokodo to say ya wie mama nkofo no. That is the kind of football attitude that Abrantia no. And Michel Shafa more 20 million ebe fan. Now Rich, you see say transfer be here. It gives you perspective about football business. And to be a one will be out as okay. Na ye tie sports in the year ye serious and normal way to enrich your knowledge about football business no. Ni who the womb. Now I will come to the Real Madrid bid no. But send a be no. Rich Leganese Ayrton Yan Diomande Adiama RB Leipzig no. They knew said they are selling a young guy. Inti omoji 20 ni ye rich.
The shame.
No musa the shame say be 20% onward transfer. Inti ene no matter the calculation na RB Leipzig ebe ye say omo de je Real Madrid no. Rich Leganese for na time chuku. Omo ni premier omo ni so say Lega ni mu bi mo. But what time chuku say anye she kra no. Rich, ombetimi anya cool 20 million for our transfer from your Monday. Now, Rich, only masamwa. Time your Monday 2024 na ansana oko Leganese no. Because he was doing well in the US. Ubeje say doing breaks. Omo de call trials our Scottish Premier League nim. Okobo trial Rangers amfano. Obebo trial English Premier League ni bi sanka omu youth team ni bi mfano obi amfano. You see sometimes sa no more na de bia na me dey encourage the youth that listen to sports Rich
don't give up.
So obi so hu now and just be bia no hu o ya de bi say emfa unti ase e bia o part no ni ko say ekoha. But you are too worried. Say, imagine a young Ivorian when your opportunity to go and do trials out of Scotland in England. Come say, aha, come pay. Rich, man feeling po.
Yeah, the story of Eze.
You get it.
As na friend,
as so you know, Master Kobe.
As na kwaba, as abe funny be.
Oh no, for even me agent okuta ni sisi say when he was recommended, also there were levels in the agency. Abente bu awtimus onim o talent amarage betu say ana mimi as agent mimu nya du ni ntina e bia mi ntimi nya deal man nti me recommend na ma agent omumu edu o metie omo the network no Rich or recommend ni come better agents say oh Abente no mu hu ni yi. Now fast forward wakodru RB Leipzig Rich okwa no kra no ene say okọ start RB Leipzig kan sa no nkofo gina dio unim Leipzig for no ton na during the preseason and we call 5 days summer training I was Switzerland rich e hona na news by say basa Diomande na yakwakoto no yenye be launching Bundesliga ni mu a obi abeti abrante 5 days and we could do summer training oba no obi e kan asem say ye only share abrante we say Kim obi abeti nka na unim one thing I love about the Germans rich they don't rush players because a business be omotiase until they know how to do it. It is omo koto akra ma neighbor team ni mu a even though they know say Brent on ball pan omo raso mo mebo ball ni tentem ma say anko ya na ati omo ni so there be they know the right time or some mo abebo ball. It you do pass the Diomande last season or IB Leipzig. Never time omo say omo introduce no. Anytime or hiti with Bundesliga nim rich Omodi Brent I remember it was the first game against Augsburg. Obaya no be share 1 goal or 2 assists. Sa game no. Leipzig share Augsburg 6-0. The following week he played against Stuttgart or the man of the match. Then the match man ko 14 di wo Bundesliga nim was the game against Hoffenheim. Obo hat-trick. Say who will be your follower of Bundesliga or rich? The biggest sports newspaper ever Germany built. So many games we in the Bundesliga now on my player rating. After IB Leipzig in Hoffenheim now Diomande ball hat-trick no. Omo Friday be say am perfect rating na say am note 1. Omo Brenton note 1 say game we no. He was 10/10. I want to be answer the guy has arrived. He came with Ivory Coast for the AFCON and now Paris Saint-Germain say yeah pa Brenton. Now rich young can create room. According to the Athletic almost omoni Paris Saint-Germain paying for omon person mu do omodi beto omon di nkomo no. The enti oman sign Brenton was that 1 Sikana na Leipzig for some beje no na ne boy omodin. 2 salary na Diomande so ni agent no propose say omunti amano no na omugiri say the body ndodo eno na omu twi omu ho free mu but ene Real Madrid the kind a bid of 100 million ekoe Omar get it. Why would they do that? Rich obi o follow in sharp passports bia saudi when your first time America Dortmund Leipzig Bundesliga clubs no rich they've done this business way years and they know how to pick a crowd or a talented na omo man platform ne value ne hype say edu so moto akra na rich opatumuda they will sell the player at the pace the price and everything omo pay and yes sir Leipzig for yai and omo ton just cover there. Emma Man City defender.
The most expensive defender.
90 million. Last season, yeah. Muko Benjamin says, "Come on, DJ Musay." Around 76. Omuka say, "Also pay a Branted, a boy in the Bejo rich. Uko stroba from." Sabona no omode ebejo. Until him. Real Madrid yes some sabe could this time around 100 fixed 20 add-ons. I believe the phone some per 130. And when you say bimbe no, uchu muta omeje.
And a Real Madrid so never.
Rich.
Cash on home.
Already yankupon. Enti omeji scan. Masama make keto me Barcelona ni. But rich obienim. So throughout the history of Real Madrid, they don't go down for long. And so omoko for moi. They do everything to rise. And it is a Real Madrid. Real Madrid go 2 seasons on the trot. Trophyless are rich. You should expect Real Madrid. That is the reason why they've brought Jose. Omato Dan Fries. Omade Bernardo Silva. Omato Cucuera. Omato Ibrahima Konate. They say almost Omade Yan Diomande Beka home. So forget about Michael Olise Muniwa. Yadi Diomande Beba. Rich, omu here your man the business na. anya shekra from close sources say they will attempt the Audrey coup no beso mo ye no and omugidie nyina ne say aka wodu 1 year e won the contract so and enye pep biem ene e coach no nti e bia benche ne wo feel so they also me yema city bia maye ana me favorite coach mpo de me koye mpo na onim de wi am city no ni era ne koma me ni era ne mum nyina fade out na me ntimi nko ba bi nti they are looking at what do they whatsapp bia na no aka say one day you want to return home to Madrid. Okay. And enya nwanwa say do about ATM no obetimi about Real Madrid because there are a lot of players are omotimi abobinti Florentino Perez wants to bring Real Madrid back. And Sanyoma no we na obeyam wo hu sampa. He is the El Presidente Florentino Perez. Obianka say team na obiode no wo all of a sudden come and win bibia. But at least you will see say this is Real Madrid trying to come back to the top, and you are very, very happy say Omotima and Rich. Media say you look at the Diomande history now, Rich, there's no strong ties to Ivory Coast Club Bianca by this time. On can move be seen. On Zubanya Kakre I used to go more no Hoya Bina, Ebi on Benya sa compensation, training compensation, but that is how the business is going, Rich.
Okay. Yabefie na ye de fisam no ato amusone